How to find events, subscriptions, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find events, subscriptions, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings. Click on it and then click notifications, and here you will find events. Click on it and then click this one if you want to turn it off, and you can turn it on if you want. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.